Hi everyone, I'm back in my kitchen and thank you all for coming today and thank you for sharing and subscribing and liking, and I love you all, so thank you very much and keep on doing it. I want to just keep moving a little bit faster than what I have been doing. Today I'm going to make a pineapple coconut bundt cake. It's dessert time. You know, we should not eat it, but sometimes we want it. So I'm going to make a coconut and pineapple bundt cake. And I actually love coconut cake, so this is really for me. Here we go. I'm going to start. I have in my mixer, I have sugar and butter. I need some coconut flavor. I need some vanilla flavor. In this bowl, I have 20 ounces of crushed pineapple and butter and brown sugar, and I have some coconut flakes here. I have coconut milk here. I have my pan ready to go here. I have 6 eggs here, and I have in this bowl, I have flour, baking powder, cornstarch, and a pinch of salt. And that's what we have here. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to get the butter and sugar mixture going. So I got to cream that first. So I'm going to get that going. And then I'm going to work on sifting my flour mixture. First you turn it on slowly. Get that butter down there. And slowly let it go, and then you kick it up so you don't, so the flour and stuff doesn't get all over the place. So you just turn it down. Actually, you turn it up a little bit. You take my pineapple and brown sugar and butter mixture, and I'm going to put it in the bottom of this already greased bundt pan, and I'm going to put it right at the bottom, so that'll be at the top, almost like a pineapple upside down cake. Stop it for a minute just so that I can scrape the bowl. It's very important to scrape your bowl when you are baking. You need to get it all in here. So I want to pull it down and scrape it. Everything gets mixed. It's okay when you're baking to definitely beat it a lot when it's before you start adding the flour. You can beat it all you want, but once you start adding that flour, you cannot beat it so much. And everything here is at room temperature. Everything's at room temperature. Okay, go back up. Cut it back. Come back on. Okay, I want you guys to see how it looks when it's really cream. It is creamed up. It looks like, actually like kind of cream. As you see, the consistency on here is what you're looking for when you're baking. So it's all creamed in now. I'm going to put in 1 egg. I'm going to put in 6 eggs, 1 egg at a time next. And as soon as the egg gets in, you're going to put the next. So I'll put 1 egg at a time in here. If I can get one in there, if they want to act right. I don't know if you want to act right. I see white. That's not what I'm trying to see. If you see the consistency now, I put it back on for 1 minute extra so that it got to this consistency after I scraped it down. Now, if you can see in here, you don't see any white. It's very well mixed and it's so creamy. That's exactly how I want to see this cake. Okay, and it's great actually, perfect. It looks beautiful in there. Now, I'm going to put the flavoring in. I'm going to put the coconut flavor in. I turned the machine off because it's loud. So I'm going to put 1 teaspoon. I'm going to put a little bit more, 1.5 teaspoons of coconut extract. And I'm going to put some vanilla extract in here. More vanilla and coconut. So this one I'm going to put in. This one I'm going to put in 2 teaspoons. 1. I'm going to put a little bit more. Just a dab more. Here we go. 3. Okay. And I'm going to beat it again. Give it another minute so it can get incorporated. Okay, beating in the flour into this butter and egg mixture, butter, egg, and sugar mixture, and I beat it in the flavoring in it and everything. So now you see what it looks like. It looks nice and creamy. Now this machine is loud, so I'm sure most of them, they're very loud. So I'm going to try to explain to you when I cut it off what I'm saying, because I don't know if you can hear me when I'm talking. So that's my thing. Try to do it that way. Okay? Now, next thing we're going to put in here, this stuff looks like frosting. Looks good. So, next thing I'm going to put in, we have to alternate the flour mixture and the coconut milk mixture, starting with the flour mixture. So I'm going to put some of the flour mixture in here. Like 1/3. And put it back on. This is going to go slow. All right, batter is done. Check this out. Take it out of here. Now what I want to do is pull it right over here so I can see it. Now I'm going to get it with my hand so I can make sure it's all mixed up. Enough of the electric mixer now. You see how thick that is? My God, look at that. That's a thick batter. Okay. This is our definite bundt cake. Now, I'm going to fold in the coconut that goes in here. Just fold it all in. Throw it half at a time. The coconut will be in every bite of this cake. This should be a very, very, very nice, sweet, decadent cake. Remind me of a cake that I would eat if after church. You got the ladies in the basement cooking that cake. That's what I believe this cake's gonna be like. You can see it. That's good. Now, going in a 350 oven for an hour and at least an hour and 10 minutes or until it's done. And I'll check it on it. I'll check it around an hour walk and make sure that it's done. So I'll see you when it comes out of the oven. Okay. And then I gotta let it cool and whatnot. Okay. Thank you. I'll be back. Hi everybody, I'm back and my cake came out of the oven. This is a pineapple coconut pound cake, and it's been cooling for about an hour, and I left it in there an hour and about an hour and 20 minutes till it got done. But it seems to be done, and it smells good and it looks good, and I'm gonna cut a piece for us see how that comes out. This is my first time making this cake, by the way. I just saw the recipe and I said I want to try it. So you and I are both trying this together. Take a little piece out. Okay, it looks crumbly. And it has it has coconut inside. And I'm going to take a piece. I couldn't help it. This is what it looks like. It tastes good. Tastes like coconut, pineapples, and it's nice and moist. And I like it. Reminds me of a pineapple upside down cake, and with coconut, which is really good to me. I like it. I keep eating this. I won't eat my dinner. It's good though, really good. So, if you guys want to try this recipe, I will leave the link down at the bottom. Please also remember to like, subscribe, and share, and keep watching me, and I appreciate all you guys, and have a great, great day. Thank you. Bye-bye.